Thutha wa guikara nja wa ndereti ya kwamũra mũhũranĩri wa gĩturwa gĩa president kwa ihinda rĩa hakuhĩ mĩaka 20, kĩama gĩa KANU nĩ gĩtacũkĩtie makinya ma mbere thabarĩ-inĩ ya thingira wa iregi na kĩranĩro gĩa rita rĩrĩ gĩcogo gĩgũkorwo na mũkũgĩre mwerũ.
I want to declare that our half time is over and we are back. The game to do is different. Lazima form ikue different. Ama niaje, volume iko sawa, ama niongeze.
The KANU chairman be and is hereby nominated as the presidential candidate for the KANU, for the Kenya African National Union KANU, in the coming general elections of 2022.
Akiamũkĩra irathimo cia amemba kĩama gĩkĩ nĩguo ambĩrĩria thabarĩ ya kũhũranĩra gĩturwa gĩa president, mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kĩama gĩa KANU ũrĩa nowe seneta wa Baringo Gideon Moi aumagarĩtio nĩ atongoria ciama iria ciũmbĩte ngwatanĩro ya One Kenya Alliance arĩa ihinda-inĩ rĩmwe othe manakorwo amemba kĩama gĩkĩ eranĩire gũtigĩrĩra atĩ kĩama gĩa KANU nĩ gĩatambũrũkĩria guoko kwa ũrata na ũnyitanĩri atongoria na ciama iria cina meciria ta makĩo thabarĩ-inĩ ĩno.
Thus, in the coming days and weeks, we will unveil our roadmap to a different Kenya. When I will formally launch my presidential candidature as a platform for a rapid and inclusive development. We will demonstrate how we will do things radically different.
Keeping Kenya together must be and should be the prayer of every Kenyan. Na yule mtu ambaye ana dawa ya kushika na kuweka hii Kenya pamoja ni Mheshimiwa Gideon Moi.
Tuko tayari kushikana mikono kwa mkono, tutembee bega kwa bega kama Wakenya na tuweke Wakenya mbele ili Kenya iwe kwanza na sisi tufate.
Huyu Gideon, hata kama wengine watakuacha, you know I can't. Na kama wengine watatuacha, na kama wengine wataniacha